buddy. Alright guys, Grizzly Twins here, back with another video. Alright, so today we're gonna get straight into it. Why does my face really got makeup on it?
You are pretty caked up.
I'm caked up. Hey babe. So we'll just turn this down a little bit.
Okay.
A few notches.
A little more natural. For sure.
Is that cool?
Yeah, that's fine. This looks like it's fine.
Is that cool?
Yeah.
So we wanna reshoot or?
We're gonna have to put this through iMovie.
Been a little too nice for y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's.
What's up guys, Grizzly Twins here.
Back with another video.
Another one. Alright, and today we're gonna talk about our equipment. Give you guys tips as far as if you were looking to start a clothing line or a clothing brand, and the best way to go about it.
Alright, so the first thing we're going to talk about is why did we start a clothing brand?
Why did we start a brand?
Yeah.
Because we wanted something to represent ourselves, you know what I'm saying? So that's mainly what it was. We wanted something to represent ourselves. We wanted to something that would tell our story, you know, and the things that we've been through, and yeah, that's pretty much it.
Okay. And then also, for those of you that don't know, we started our clothing brand in 2018. It's called Grizzly Apparel. Put on right here, you know what I'm saying? We out here, Grizzly Apparel, you know what I'm saying?
Been a little too nice for y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all.
We've actually had a couple different drops that we've put out there.
Right.
It's been going. Our brand's been going. We're moving and grooving. We got something super excited coming up that we're about to drop next. A little collab that we're working on right now.
Right.
But today we're gonna talk about the equipment. So our equipment. So why did we buy new equipment, or why did we decide to go into pretty much production ourselves?
Right. So the main reason that we wanted to go into production ourselves was because in the past, we were dealing with a lot of different companies, as far as production companies to get our clothes made, such as screen printers, embroidery, vinyl, you know what I'm saying, and all of it, pretty much all of it, everything. We were getting samples and stuff made in China. We did the AliExpress route as well. That didn't work out for us, and neither did actually having other companies like
local companies.
Right, local companies create our clothes for us, and our logos. So because of that, we kept running into that issue. You know what I'm saying?
The quality of work
is trash.
The quality of work just wasn't good. It just wasn't adding up. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you're starting a brand, like, dog, make sure they got samples. Make sure you can actually see, do a little bit of research on them,
right,
and find out, their quality of work.
Facts.
You know what I'm saying? What they do. Because there's times that me and my brother, we met somebody and like, oh yeah, that's fire, though. Who did that for you? Bet I did it myself. All right, cool. So, we have a clothing brand. We looking to do something, get some stuff made.
Right.
We give them our clothes, give them all of our samples, everything, and yeah, let's just leave it at that.
They do like a sample print, and then after that, it's like,
trash.
Where's the consistency?
Right.
We need consistency within our stuff. So that's like kind of the main reason that we wanted to go into production for ourselves, so that we can be actually in control of it. You know what I'm saying? So we could say where the placement's gonna go, and we could say, oh, that's not working out, we'll change that. Before we actually spend, a buttload of money on something that we don't want. You know what I'm saying? Like, why do that? It doesn't make sense. You're in this game to make money, so why would you do that? That's kind of backtracking.
Yeah. And also, like, us starting out, like, we literally had to find out everything from scratch. Like, nobody put us on game about anything, on how to design this, how to do that. Literally, it was just trial and error every single time. Trial and error. From getting our logos vectorized, from getting our clothes, printed on, you know what I'm saying? Like, everything was trial and error for us.
Yeah.
So, the do's and don'ts, that video is coming soon,
right,
you know what I'm saying? But today we're going to focus on strictly our equipment and production, right?
Right.
So, let's talk about the piece of equipment that we just bought.
Right.
So we just bought an embroidery machine. It's a Brother PRS 100.
Persona.
Persona 100. And it's a good quality machine. It's a good machine if you're just, you know, learning embroidery and just starting out. It is a little bit pricey, but it's definitely worth it. You know, putting the time aside to learn different skills and different trades of designing clothes and you know, branding yourself, is worth it.
Right.
It's 100% worth it.
Yeah.
Buy it. If you gotta buy that machine, buy that machine. You know what I'm saying? Because in the long run, not only is it gonna save you money, but it's also gonna ensure the quality of work because you're in charge of it, right?
And it's gonna save you time as well.
And it's gonna save you time. So let's say if we had to pay someone to, you know, get a hat embroidered or something like that, and, you know, they said, man, I can't do it, I'm booked, I can't do it for another 2 weeks. You know what I'm saying? Like, oh yeah, 2 weeks, I can do that in probably half the time because I have my own machine.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? So thinking about it like that, you know, you'll definitely you can get a rhythm, and and you're in control of, you know, of your time. Sure. You know, your time is everything, because you don't want to be, you know, have your you don't want to have your customers, you know, waiting, you know, for the drop. You said it's gonna drop this week and it's drop a whole another month from now.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? You want to try to be consistent. You want to try to be on time as possible. You know, and meet those deadlines. Our next piece of equipment we're gonna talk about is our Singer, our sewing machine. Les here has been has put in a great amount of time learning that. But, you know, like we said, the time is worth it. Put the time in to learn it. You know what I'm saying? Put the time in, learn the skill, learn the trade, because not only can you do, you know, it works for you and your brand and what you're trying to do, but honestly, you can, you know, a little side money. You can, you know, help out other brands. You know what I'm saying? Help out other people. You know what I'm saying? Along the way, you know, as you still, you know, design, you know, your brand. You know, as you're still growing yourself, you can help out others.
For sure.
Our next piece of equipment we got is
a Cricut.
A Cricut.
The newest Cricut.
We got the newest
the Maker 3. Cricut Maker 3. Yeah.
That one I used to have like a big industrial vinyl maker, but it was always breaking. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? So we definitely had to invest in something a little bit smaller, a little bit more efficient, I feel like, and it works. Right? It gets the job done. It gets exactly what we need to get done. Yeah. And it's super easy to use. Yeah. Like, super easy. I can't say
it's super easy to use. You know what I'm saying? So you want to have something, if you're going to buy equipment, make sure that it's easy for you to use. You know what I'm saying? Because you don't want to spend
years and years from now, you know what I'm saying, trying to still figure out the machine. Right? Facts. So make sure it's something that you can probably learn within, like, let's say a month, you know, a month and a half. If you put the time in, you watch your tutorials. YouTubes, yeah. Time, efficiency, it's everything.
Been a little too nice for y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all.
I guess when it comes to embroidery, like, one thing that we did, you know, getting started was we went to the mall. We found you know, someone that does alterations and stuff like that, and we actually were like taking her our clothes, and she was, you know, sewing on the tags for us, you know, because we couldn't do it. We didn't know how to do it, so we made a deal with her, and she's been doing our tags for us, you know. So I'll be doing half of the tags, she'll be doing half of the tags as well. So it'll you know, keep the flow, keep the process going a lot efficiently and quicker, you know.
Yeah, and that's really important. Meeting deadlines and
setting deadlines. That's for a different video. That's for another video. Deadlines are important.
Deadlines, right? Getting your merch out in a timely manner and making sure that it's up to the standard and up to the quality that you want it to be. You know what I'm saying? And you investing in your own equipment is the best thing that you can do, because you're in control of not only quality, but you're in control of the time, the efficiency, everything of your brand, right?
You're accountable for if something that doesn't turn out right, if something goes wrong. You know what I'm saying? You're accountable for those things,
right?
And you know, and you don't have to go to a third person and be like, yo, like, what happened? What happened with my clothes? And you got a whole disagreement about price.
Okay. You just invite him. Wool up, nigga. Wool up. Just wool up. What's the business, man? Because I'm here with you. You think you're operating in somewhere there? Make you don't know nothing, man. You know what you are? EP. aka enemy of progress. Now listen, have you been to South Africa before?
And stuff like that, and that's just a headache, honestly.
Yeah, wait another week,
right,
2 weeks
right,
for yourself to get done.
Right.
So.
It's just a headache. Yeah. So we would totally highly recommend, going out, getting your own equipment and starting from scratch. Taking that little extra time in the beginning to learn it and get it done. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, guys, that's about it. That's all we got for you guys today. We will be putting our equipment, all the equipment that we have, that we use, so that way you can check it out and see what we're using. It may work for you, right? But yeah, please comment, please subscribe. We're trying to hit this 20K
subscribers.
Sorry guys, we've been slacking with the videos. That's because we've been learning, right? We've been learning.
We've been students of the game. You know what I'm saying? Students of the game.
Yeah, we got some videos coming out for you guys, some new content coming out for you guys. But yeah, please subscribe. Please comment if you guys have any questions on how we've done it. You know what I'm saying? So, and also be on the lookout for our next drop. Our next drop is on the way.
It's coming.
Yes.
So be on the lookout for that. That's all we got for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. And that's all we got.
That's it.
And peace.
Peace.
Been a little too nice for y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all.